The Border Security Force Bsf Meghalaya Frontier Shillong had organized a press conference on Saturday on the eve of the 73rd Republic Day celebrations of the country. The IG of the Bsf Meghalaya Frontier Shillong, while briefing the media, informed of the various activities and developmental works conducted by the force in the state of Meghalaya with a focus on border areas.
BSF had also played vital role in the liberation war of Bangladesh, but Meghalaya frontier as it was curved from Assam and Meghalaya frontier on 1st October 2011. This frontier is manning 444 kilometer stretch of international border with Bangladesh. The entire area of responsibility is divided into three sectors, namely Tura, Shillong and Joy, having 3 battalions in each sector. Tough terrain, unfenced patch, elephant corridor and heavy rain in the Meghalaya state sometimes provide challenges to the troops, but overcoming these challenges have now become habit and routine of BSF. A Mech-3 cycle rally was conducted in Meghalaya frontier to promote harmony and friendship along the border areas and to include the sense of mutual trust between the BSF troops and the BGB.
While speaking about the border fencing between India and Bangladesh, informed that the work is ongoing and added that as many as 38 villages have been covered under this project by the BSF. He also informed that apart from the 6 areas, a concurrence from the government of Bangladesh is awaited insofar as fencing work within 150 kilometers on both sides of the border is concerned.
So we are hoping that at the end of this year, we'll be able to complete around 90% of the fence, and if land is available, only the whole fence will be done. As far as international norms are concerned, so no construction work or defense work can be undertaken within 150 yards from international border. Neither we can take nor they can take on their side. So following those norms, the fence is erected at 150 yards. Total 38 villages as per our report, which are within the 150 yards.
Within 150 yards.